Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to create bulk Gmail account without phone. To start, open your internet browser then search for email generator. Select the link that says generator.email.com. Once you're now here, you will see a bar which will allow you to generate a Gmail. Delete the first word this time. Now open your Google Mail. On the browser, tap on your profile on the upper right, and then in here, you're going to be copying the first few words or your Gmail handle without the @ and gmail.com. Once you are done copying, all you have to do this time is to paste it over here. Once done, you're just going to click on Generate on the right corner. Follow the steps that I have over here, and that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.